OCO everyone, it's Philip Encroaching with iamCREATURescience at iamCREATURescience.com. iamCREATURescience is now partnered with Chef Khai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
What's up, everybody? This is Chef Khai from KT Foodies, partnering with iamCREATURescience, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make quinoa. Now, I have my multipliers in order, and the best thing to know about quinoa or even rice is the ratio. The ratio will be 2/1, meaning 2 is the water amount and 1 cup of quinoa. So 2 cups of water and 1 cup of quinoa will make the perfect al dente quinoa set for your dish. So I have my 2 cups of water in my pot. I'm going to go ahead and put my fire onto a medium-high heat and wait for a boil. Now, once it's at a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of quinoa. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and dry my measuring cup out, air it out as much as possible, and go ahead and prepare for when it gets to boil. And just like rice, if you ever cook rice, you can flavor it as you like. A good thing for your meal prep is turmeric, a little cayenne. What I'm going to be using is salt, pepper, of course, cayenne, garlic salt, and some adobo. Actually, since I have adobo, I'll probably not use the salt, just because we already have garlic salt, and salt is always going to be salty, so you don't want your grain to come out too salty. So this would be perfect. Okay, gotcha. So now I have the 1 cup ready. I'm going to wait till this becomes a boil, and then we can get started to the next step. And now that our bubbles are dancing, we know that our quinoa is ready to come in. I'm going to do a nice little pour of my quinoa. Just a mix to make sure all of it's getting intact with the water. Now again, quinoa is like rice. You can season it how you please. I would look at your meal prep and your meal plan and see the spices that iamCREATURescience use and incorporate with that. The more of those herbs, the better for your body. I'm also going to turn my temp down a little bit lower and go ahead and season it. Again, I'm just using some salt, some pepper. Also be wise on the spotted and the hose. This means it's going to be a lot more faster pour, and I can control. I know I trust my control system, my control of the wrist. So I'm not really too worried about if I'm going to over pepper it. Oh, we're not going to do salt. The reason I'm not doing salt is because I have adobo, and you can even check on the ingredients how much salt contains in it. Some garlic powder, get a nice little. You smell it coming out. Oh yeah, get a little bit of this adobo. And again, I lowered my temperature. A little cayenne. Nice little back of the mouth. Not too, you don't want too spicy, don't overdo it. Little mix one more time. And if you want this a light seasoning, again, salt, pepper does justice. Put my lid back on. And how I can tell, I'll periodically check on the quinoa, and it's going to kind of split open from the quinoa is going to split open, which how you know indicates that it's ready to go. Alright guys, so now we're back with the quinoa. It went to a boil as we did, and we let it sit and wait for the quinoa to split open. Now I'm going to open it and show you guys exactly what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah. So as you can see, the quinoa went from a nice hard, like little grain, hard grain, to a nice and gentle split open. And you can serve this with, and you can eat it plain. You can eat it with your salmon or your sauteed veggies. Create a bowl for it. 2 cups of quinoa is a very good, I believe it's even on your meal prep for I Am Creature Science. Good to go.